We're painting the second oldest house in Lawrence, Mass. Giving it 3 coats of paint. It's a historian house. Nice job, nice job. You're doing a good job over here. Mr. Nez is doing the new construction over here on the porch. Good job, good job. We have the painters over here painting the side of the building. It's getting there. We have another painter here doing the prime and scraping. How's everything up there?
So far, so good.
So far, so good? Okay, that's good. It's looking good. Looking good. Mr. Inez, you have anything to say to the camera?
Huh? Oh,
You have any?
hi.
How's your work?
I'm tired.
You're very tired, right?
Yeah.
It's not easy. I know.
Yeah. It's too high. Too high.
Too hot.
Hot. It's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
That's okay.
Then, let me see your head.
No.
Let me see your head. And then you bang your head on a metal. That's no good. That's no good.
Tony, Tony,
Yes.
esta ventana no abre por dentro, ¿ah?
Não, isso tá tapado.
Tú lo pintaste todo así,
Oh yeah, eu pintei todo que isso tá tapado. E esse trabalho aqui como tá salindo? Mira, tu devias ensacar a grama para poder pintar bem. O que passa? Está bem? Devias
Después la voy a
ensacar.
arrancar cuando veas todo para
Sim.
abajo.
E como está o trabalho? Bem?
Todo bien.
Okay.
I am good.
Yeah, you good? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. I'm happy. Vamos ver isso, como está. Alright. Inés, que tu pensa? Tá bem?
Eso está beautiful.
Tá beautiful, hein?
Ya, tú hiciste buen trabajo.
Ok, gracias.
Ya, guy.
Gracias.
Bye. Bye.
Now we need the top. That's not going to be too easy up there. Estás arreglando o soffit.
Sí, arreglando todo, mira, arreglando todo ese diseño, porque mira, ese diseño está bueno, pero hay que hacerle otros arreglos. Mira, aquí se está despegando, aquí se está despegando también. Mira, mira aquí cómo está todo esto. Mira. Pero eso, si se toca mucho y se golpea,
Se va a romper.
Romper.
Ah, ok.
Hay que hacerlo con mucho cuidado.
Exato.
¿Cómo tú quieres que lo siga haciendo? ¿Está bien así?
Tá beautiful. Continua sendo buen trabajo. We have a lot of bees around this school. I blocked it off and they're still trying to get inside. This is one of the worst places to paint. I got yellow hornets, black hornets. Over here we gotta be careful not to be stung by the bee. This is bad over here. Painting the soffit. So we gotta keep climbing up higher and higher. This is the door we're stripping now. This door is in bad shape, very bad shape. It's only for looks. Okay. It's in bad shape. Very bad shape, this door. We pulled out that soffit, it was all rotted. Now we bring it down to fix it. So, Mr. Inez, what are you doing now?
I make a bend metal.
You bended the aluminum
The aluminum.
for the
for
soffit.
the soffit over there.
I see.
I
Okay.
have to do something, but no more than something. No. And no very good.
No. replacing a lot of the wood.
So that's okay. I'm okay.
Very good. You guys are going pretty quick over there. I say you guys are going quick. Usted está trabajando rápido, está indo rápido.
Yo quiero bajar de aquí rápido.
Yeah,
Esto está feo.
I know.
Okay.
But it's looking good.
Okay. Thank you.
We're up in the air, fixing the soffits, caulking.
En secreto le dice, cuando no haya nadie, date la vuelta por aquí porque viene a consultar.
This wood over here needs to be all replaced. All in bad shape. Tá mais lindo, não?
años.
El janitor tiene que tener guantes, aunque no son de esos, of course.
Ni de esto tiene.
No, aquí
¿Qué,
sí se
qué
habla
pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
guantes. Tú estás poniendo eso en YouTube, Tor. Tú no puedes poner mi cara en YouTube.
Inés está aqui arriba pintando the soffit. Inés is painting the soffit over here.
Tony, estoy cansado.
Tu tá cansado, hein?
Sí, hoy es viernes, ya me quiero ir a la casa.
Oh boy.
Un amarillito.
Pero
No te joden de una vez de que tú lo usas también. No, es que esos son medical.
that's no.
Déjame voy a cambiar el disco duro. Ah, el disco duro.
Mira, mira, estás em câmera.
Camera, showing. Ten cuidado, tú vas a poner eso en Facebook.
Não, é mesmo, você vai para todo lado. Never mind Facebook, YouTube.
YouTube,
E eu tenho no channel do YouTube.
no me jodas.
Não. E você vai para todo mundo.
Ah, pues tú vas a tener que pagar. tú vas a recibir dinero.
Oye, tengo que taparme porque si es mi rostro, tú sabes, en YouTube.
O que o Inés está fazendo aqui, arreglando?
Arreglando todo esto que no sirve. Ya tú estás bien del
Sí,
mareo que te...
sí, sí.
Nunca te había dado eso.
No.
Ya. Mira, uno muere. Uno muere en segundo, Tony. Diablo. Yo me di un susto. Yo me tiré de la máquina así,
Oh,
salí
yeah.
corriendo para acá, iba a subir y voy a buscar agua. ¿Qué hago? Diablo.
Isso foi com o calor?
El calor, sí, insulero, ¿no? Yo no-
Yeah.
Insulación, ¿no?
Now I'm here at the Orange Villa. We're almost done, almost done with the project. We got the hottest three working people here. We called ourselves the Three Musketeers. We got Inez over here. We got Inez. What's your name, please? Inez, mira.
Inés.
He's eating a little bit of breakfast right now because he's going to work hard today. We're trying to finish this. He's going to work very hard so he's got his energy. And what's your name, sir?
Isaac.
Isaac, another guy. He's the best over here. Scraping, priming, painting. And we're going to work very hard today. And then
Pero no se desayuna.
then you got me over here with a mask because I'm afraid of the coronavirus. Because if you notice, these guys never wear the mask.
Estoy comiendo.
So, as you can see, I wear my mask because I'm afraid of that stuff. What are you eating today? Spanish food.
No,
Plátano
banana.
maduro con queso.
Sweet banana.
Sweet banana, cheese,
Sweet banana and cheese, fried cheese.
fried cheese. Oh boy. Be careful who's underneath this guy because he's going to throw some bombs. We're finally coming to an end. The house is almost all done. A couple more days, everything will be finished. Thank God. Very windy today. Now over here we're gonna fix the railing. Inez is over here pulling out all the balusters are gonna come out because these are old. They're already very old and rotted, and a lot of nails to take out. And then we're gonna make this brand new again. This morning we're gonna start fixing the railings over here. And the staircase there, balusters. All this needs to be replaced. Everything will be replaced over here.
Aquí, cuando está viejo, para que
Yeah.
después esté como nuevo.
Inez is gonna start the work over here, putting all this together over here. We gotta do these steps. This area here is in bad shape also. Gotta be all done. Inez is over here putting the balusters here.
Espérate, Tony, voy a ponerme a ponerme bonito para que
Okay,
me ponga la
puño,
gorra.
sí.
Sí, pues tú vas a poner eso aquí, Tony. Aquí, Tony.
Cortando.
Dile, pícale esto, pícale. Tiene que poner esto para separar exactamente todo lo que lleva ahí. Mira, tú ves que todos están a una sola misma distancia, mira. Ahí, ¿ya viste? Tiene que llevar ahí a una sola misma distancia. Mira, eso es estupidez, porque ¿para qué cogen eso y le dan coger martillo? Tú estás loco.
It's looking better.
¿Eh?
It's looking better. All the brown is done on this side. Now we're going to continue with the yellow to finish this side off. Now we're up high on the soffit, painting. Boss coming right now, driving the truck with furniture for the building.